Hi guys, welcome to Coco Africa TV, the only YouTube channel that gives you all the updates you deserve. Here this morning we have a wonderful gist for you. Meanwhile, I would like you to watch the video till the end. And as you do so, may God bless you. Stay tuned, and as you subscribe and turn on your notification button, God will continue to bless you and be with you all. Take care of yourself.
The only person who can make whatever we want, who can make our dream come true, is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And if the Igbo speaking Biafra don't understand who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is, they should go and play Oracle. Let me tell you, if the Igbo speaking Biafra, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come from the Igbo speaking Biafra, but it's not an Igbo man. He's a guy who have a dream for every speaking language. One thing I want you all to understand, many people have been fighting for these Biafras. Many people have been doing everything for these Biafras. They come out. Have you ever seen follower like this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu follower? Why do? Thousands of people do. Asuri Tokunbo come for his own pattern. Have you ever seen anybody say when they follow am just like they are following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? You see different states. Some part in northern side, even the northern people, the Hausas, not the Fulani, because the Hausa, they are good people. Just that the Fulani went there to make sure they take their life, to suppress them, turn them to slave. Even the Hausas are supporting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But I will just go on social media. I see some Igbo speaking language kick against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, talk some nonsense word against you. But I want to declare you guys today that Nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo speaking Biafras, but he's not an Igbo man. He's not an Igbo man in the ways that, because he come for everybody. So if you people don't appreciate this guy, we, another tribe, would appreciate him. I want everybody to understand one thing now, is that no matter who you are, no matter your money where you get, no matter your any stupid celebrity in Biafra land who are still calling one Nigeria, if you are any celebrity in Biafra land who are supporting one Nigeria, you are a fool. You are a biggest fool. You will remain a fool. You will remain a fool in anywhere in Biafra land. If you are the kind of celebrities that you are still supporting one Nigeria, you are a big fool. Because you don't know. They are coming for you, don't worry. Buy land in anywhere you want to buy. Buy land outside the Biafra land. Buy, don't worry. They will seize your property when that time comes. Because if you think that people will go back, if you think that people will go back, I want to use this opportunity to talk to our fathers in Imo State. I want to use this a great opportunity to talk to our fathers in Imo State. I don't want to, because you guys, or all of you, you are fathers, and we address you as a fathers. But when the father don't understand what he's doing in life, the father will not be useful anymore. In this time of Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, sending jet fighter to shoot our people. In this time that Uzodinma is sending soldiers, police, to kill our citizen, to kill the Biafra citizen. This time too, you people organize just because of money and crown Uzodinma, whether a king or whatever. I know you guys are doing it just you want to chop. Is that this time? Okay, what are you people doing now to Uzodinma is to tell him, yes, the way you are killing our citizens, the way you are killing our boys, we like it. The way you send soldiers to kill our people, we not like them. It's a pity. I must tell you people, it's a pity. It's a pity. E no go like that. The people where they look up to, they later fail the people. It's very shame. It's an embarrassment something. I still you wonder in Biafra land that all these governors will do something and people will gather. You would, because it's the job. Let me tell you something. This is the jobless, because if you have what you are doing, all these governors who kill, you know, it doesn't mean okay. It doesn't happen to you. Don't worry, it will soon happen to you. And when it happen to you, you will shout, come outside. You will shout, come outside. If it happen to you very soon, because I know. I know it would happen to you. I know it would happen. It will soon happen to you. That one is short banker. People they die. You know, Sam. It not happen to you. Some people were died 2014. No be that family again. The whole family who died 2014. No be that family died 2021. Even no be that family died 2020. No be that family died 2018. And no be the family wey die this 2021. No be the family go die 2022, 2023. E dey very shocked and one. Sometimes I sit down. You see wetin they do now? Police will just carry gun and kill people. They will label them unknown gunmen. Policeman will carry gun and shoot people inside their house, kill them, label them unknown gunmen. Say na unknown gunmen go kill them. I thank you all for those our mothers and some of our fathers who are still there with Biafra. God Almighty